Unfortunate, the news that we have gotten this morning. I was at Parliament chairing Shadow Cabinet, and then I got a call. I spoke to the mother of the Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya, who confirmed to me that he has passed on. It's very, very sudden. Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya got a little bit worse in the past couple of days. He was brought here, and in engaging with the doctors and families, it was agreed, the doctors advised us, let's make sure no one accesses him to avoid getting infections because his situation had become dire. So we agreed with the family, as the doctors have guided, no one to visit and so on, so that they catch those infections. And the updates we kept getting, it was a struggle as if you could improve, and then bits of setbacks and so on. So this morning we got that very, very unfortunate news. When I spoke to the doctors, they told me, well, all the organs are pretty much shut down. They said they're waiting to themselves do the pronunciation, but yeah, clearly that's what it is, because the mother has also got a briefing from other medics. So it is sad that our colleague has passed on. It's very, very, very sad moment.
How would you remember your colleague as the leader of opposition, but also